Why is everyone so obsessed with Japanese cheesecake?
I'll tell you why.
Why? You tell me why. Welcome to OFT's Trendy Dish Thursday. So this week we are doing the Japanese cheesecake. And just like OFT fashion, we're gonna kick it up just a little bit, just a notch. So I am using the Oikos vanilla Greek yogurt. This is what I have. This is what we always eat in the house. So I'm using this. So I'm gonna put it in our container here. Spread it out somewhat evenly here. I think this will be the perfect amount that I have. I'm excited to try this one, guys. This can't be bad, could it? I don't think so. So we're gonna spread that out evenly. And then we're gonna take our Biscoff cookies, and my dish may not be deep enough. Nope, we're gonna break them.
Crash and burn.
Well, you know, it's all good, folks. We improvise. And we are going to just line these suckers up. Get it nice and filled with Biscoff cookies. That one was a little uneven. And this has got to sit in the fridge for a day. So next time you see me, we'll be on our Trendy Dish Thursday. I'm gonna give this sucker a taste. All right, so how we're gonna kick it up a notch is I melted some cookie butter, and we are going to pour that cookie butter on top of our cookies and our yogurt.
Scrumptious.
Oh boy. If you guys have a melting pot near you, and you like that kind of thing, they have a cookie butter chocolate fondue. If you've never tried it, you need to in your life at least once. You can thank me later.
She's at it again, folks. This looks delicious.
So now we are going to say goodbye to her until tomorrow. And that's when we will try it. See you then. Why is everyone so obsessed with Japanese cheesecake?
I'll tell you why.
Why? You tell me why. We are back for part 2. We have the Japanese cheesecake. It got happy overnight. We have the melted cookie butter on top. I will tell you guys, it smells amazing. It smells so good. As soon as I took the top off, All right, let's give her a try.
Hold that thing up here close. Let them see.
All right, let's try her.
Here, I'm gonna come close.
She's soft. I gotta get some of the cookie butter on the top too.
Well,
That's really good. It's really good. Does it taste like the traditional cheesecake? No, but when you take the first bite, you get that cheesecakey flavor. Again, I used vanilla flavored Greek yogurt, and I did zhuzh it up a little bit with the melted cookie butter on top. But can you see how the inside, how soft it got? Hope you can see that. Guys, give this a try. And if you don't like Biscoff, I've seen people do it with vanilla wafers, pale Oreos, any cookie. But this is really good, guys. I like this trendy video. Very, very good. Try it, folks. You won't regret your Japanese cheesecake. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.